99% of people buy estate land the wrong way and they are losing their money. I don't want you to be part of them. That is why I'm doing these videos for you. In this video, I will tell you how to buy estate land the right way. Pay close attention to the steps that I'm about to tell you. Without wasting your time, let's dive in. Step 1. Verify the land title. If you see the land that you want to buy, it may be through the advertised by realtors, or you have seen the real estate companies and they market the land for you. What the first thing you need to do is to verify the land titles of that particular land. This is very important. Know the title that you are buying land with. A lot of people always make mistakes. Don't just rely on what they tell you. You need to verify it. If it is C of O, ensure that you buy land with a verified C of O document. Even it is deed of assignment or governor consent, you need to know the title that you are buying the land with. Step 2 is to buy land in a developing location. This is very important. You cannot make money with landed investments without a prime location. It's not all the estate that is located in a prime locations, but they will tell you that is the best location that the estate land is located. It's now left for you to do your research by knowing the future development areas of that particular place and also the neighborhood, the infrastructures of the neighborhood is going to help you. And step 3 is to inspect the land physically. This is very important. You need to know the natural and artificial feature on that particular land, and you need to know the access of that particular place. It is very important. In case you are not in the country, you can send your representatives to go and check everything for you, and if it is possible to do the live video so that you can see everything. It is very important. Not just buy land because you see it on video or somebody just send the pictures for you. No, you need to go there or send somebody there to see it before you decide to buy such a land. Number 4 step that you need to do is to check the developer record or the real estate company's record. It is very important. Check their track record. Are they deliver such a project before? How many years they have been in the business? Are they allocate land for people before you? So all these things is very important. The estate that you want to buy the land, are they already allocate for some people? So all these things you need to carry out the research to know the developers and the real estate company that you want to buy the property with. It is very important because some of them don't have a track record. Some of them just in the business in order to make money and live. If you invest your money with this kind of people, you will regret it along the road. So that is why it is very important to check their track record. And the last one that I want you to understand is the payment plan. A lot of people are overlooking these things. It is very important to look their payment plan. How many years or how many months that you are going to to pay the money. So all these things is very important, and how can you pay the money at your convenience time. So all these things is very important. If you don't do this, it will affect you later. You need to check if it is okay by you. You know from beginning. If it is not, you will find your way. So that is the best thing. It's not that you involve yourself and you start to understand all these things. It will make you regret later. I hope you learned something in this video. If it is, just don't forget to follow me for more information about this. Thank you for watching and bye for now.